rolling your IT band. If it makes you feel better, it's the only thing that helps, keep doing it. Click off, hit subscribe, and then be done with this video. But nobody's ever been upset when I tell them, stop foam rolling your IT band. Okay, so let's talk about why. We just said, what does foam rolling do? What do we use it on? We use it on muscles to increase tissue, reduce tissue tension, reduce tissue soreness. And we said, when we're putting that stress into a big, healthy muscle, like your quad, your hip flexor, your butt, your hamstring, those tissues will respond accordingly. Now, we know the IT band is not that type of tissue. It's much more fibrous. It's much more dense. It actually can take a lot of force and load, and it actually would require a ton of force and load to, one, strengthen it and to release it. It hurts. Don't do that. Don't foam roll your IT band. I would never ask somebody to do something that I'm not willing to do. So then what the heck, Smith? You're telling me I can't foam roll my IT band? My hip's still tight, my knee's still sore. What are some areas that I can focus on to get that relief? That's coming up. So we just talked about why not to foam roll your IT band, but there are alternatives to creating less tension into your lateral hip, your lateral quad, and your lateral knee. Again, fibrous, active, it hurts, it's a waste of time, it's a different tissue, but there are other solutions. We said the other solutions can be, let's affect the muscles around that area. So we're gonna focus on foam rolling your TFL, foam rolling your glute, and then foam rolling your quad. We're gonna go quick and easy here. I actually start into my TFL, then I roll into my quad, and I switch over into my glute. So again, front hip pocket, foam roll down, lying onto that TFL. I'm just going back and forth here. Good. If I find a spot, I'll rotate through it. And while I'm in this position, I'm going to move that foam roll back and then get right into my quad. That's good. Again, I'm not foam rolling over my IT band. It hurts. And I'll just foam roll my quad. 20, 30 seconds of that. Let's get that glute. So left glute, left knee crosses over, and I'm foam rolling right into that back hip pocket. 20, 30 seconds before, 45, 60 seconds, 2 minutes after. It's gonna help to recover, it's gonna help you prep, and all those things are a lot more efficient than getting onto that big, nasty IT band. Show it some love, but don't be mean to it.